VLEI with satellite. The principle is the same. We have two stations, and instead of celestial object, we have satellite. And based on this, instead we can have S1, 2, for example, on 2, the same signal, we can determine the baseline. This principle is exactly the same, but in that case, we write that this distance, which is 1, 2, is the delay that we observe multiplied by C. And this is 1, 2, which is this time multiplied, is if we write it in terms of phase difference plus lambda n, in n is ambiguity. So it means that we can measure this time, and thereafter, when you measure this time, this part is down. This one is down, and based on this, the same principle, we have S. Then we multiply. Let me write it here now to remember the principle of this. And it was tau. If you remember, it was tau times tau was 1 over C tau. Now 1 over C S 1, 2 B E dot S1, which was baseline 1, 2, T. So that's all. So S1, 2 is here, comes here, and you can measure it based on phase. This is the measurement time you have, or you want to baseline. That's all. But there are lots of efforts has been done for interferometry with VLEI with satellites. Then you can read it.